Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday said that NPP-led MDA Govt has accorded adequate thrust to neglected regions of the state. He said that the government in the last 4 years have initiated various welfare and infrastructure projects in South Garo Hills to accelerate development. Addressing a gathering at Baghmara, he also told the gathering of the ongoing implementation of Baghmara Water Supply Scheme, which is ongoing in the district. He also informed of the various road projects that are going on to ensure internal connectivity and rural connectivity in the district. Later he interacted with producers groups at Baghmara and distributed financial assistance amounting to Rs 1.1 crores to 166 producers groups.
Tentang cooperative society dong ako di. Cooperative society ko na isamang tarimang. Sini tentang cooperative society yo interest free loan. Jera kaya sini piggery mission no, milk mission no, or poultry mission, aro aqua mission. Ya dapat tentang mission model sila program ko amat singso. Ya lang ako na isamang tentang level lo sakali ko magi Meghalaya government lalu nenga. Aru yani benefit ko ba na isimang kanaman kin.